In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created this viral architectural construction video using completely free AI tools. There's no extra talking here, no unnecessary explanations just to stretch the video length like most creators do, including me honestly. We'll keep everything straight to the point and focus only on the process. In just a few minutes, you'll understand how to create these same viral architectural construction videos step by step. To create videos like this, the first thing you need is the master prompt. You can easily get it by commenting the word prompt on this video, and I'll send you the prompt link there. Once you get the document, open it and scroll down a little. You'll see the master prompt clearly mentioned there. Make sure you copy the entire prompt properly because it's a bit long and you don't want to miss any part of it. After copying the master prompt, open ChatGPT. The reason we're using ChatGPT is simple. To create these videos, we first need highly accurate image prompts and image-to-video animation prompts. Paste the full master prompt into ChatGPT, and once it's done, just type the word START. ChatGPT will now give you a list of different architectural styles to choose from. From these options, I'm selecting Modern Private Estate. Copy that style name and paste it back into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will start generating detailed image prompts, along with image-to-video animation prompts for each scene of the construction process. Now that we have our image prompts ready, it's time to generate the images. For image generation, I'm using Google Whisk. You can use any tool you want, even Gemini, but for this video, I'll stick with Whisk. Open Google Whisk, sign in with your Gmail account, and click on the Enter Tool button. You'll now see the main interface. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it directly into Whisk. After pasting the prompt, choose the aspect ratio from here, then click on the Generate button. Whisk will generate two different images for the same scene. Simply choose the one you like the most. I'll select this one because it looks perfect to me. Download it. Now click on Add Images, and you'll see the subject option. This is where consistency comes in. Upload the first image you just downloaded into the subject panel. After that, copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk, and generate the next image. Again, Whisk will give you two outputs. Choose the one you like, download it, and repeat the same process. For the third image, copy the third prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk, generate the image, select the best result. Download it, and drag it into the subject panel. As you can see, by following this method, all the images remain visually consistent. Now repeat this exact process to generate all the remaining images for your video. Once all the images are ready, it's time to convert them into videos. For this, I'm using Google Flow. Open Google Flow and click on New Project. Change the mode from text to video to frames to video. Select your desired aspect ratio from here. Choose the model. I'm using the Veo Fast model. And set the number of outputs to 1. Now upload the first image you generated into the start frame and upload the second image into the end frame. Copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. Within a few minutes, your first scene will be ready. And as you can see, it looks exactly like the viral construction videos you see on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Download this clip. For the second scene, upload the second image in the start frame and the third image in the end frame. Paste the corresponding animation prompt from ChatGPT and generate the video. This one also looks amazing. Repeat the same steps for all remaining scenes until your full construction sequence is complete. Now the final step is editing, and there's nothing complicated here. Open CapCut, import all the generated video clips, and drag them onto the timeline one by one. Play through the video and make small adjustments if needed, just like I'm doing here, to make the visuals feel smoother and more impactful. Once everything looks good, export the video in the highest resolution possible. And that's it. You now have a ready-to-upload viral architectural construction video created entirely using free AI tools. If you like this simple and straight-to-the-point explanation, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Spizro AI if you want to see more content like this. Also, don't forget to comment prompt to get the master prompt. Also, check other niche breakdowns in my channel, which you might like more than this one and I'll see you in the next video.